Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very attractive guitar shaped Father's Day card with the quilling decoration. And can you see these cute tiny playing cards as a shaker inside my shaker embellishments? This is very perfect idea to create greeting card for Father's Day, and I have added message inside the card and you can just open it like this. Very easy to open and it's looking very attractive. So let's get started. For this we need some 3mm quilling strips, liquid glue, half cut pearl, some shaker elements like playing cards and flower pearls, quilling tool, scissor, white color thick sheet and pattern paper. So first I am taking this rough paper which measures 12 by 15 centimeters, and on one side I have just drawn one design of guitar. It's a freehand drawing, you can draw it very easily. Now just fold the paper in half and I am fussy cutting the shape of guitar. Like this. Now I'm taking this sheet base which measures 30 by 12 centimeters. I'm just folding it in half. And now I am going to trace my guitar shape on this. The base sheet is having 300 GSM thickness. So it's done now. Using both the layers together, I am cutting the guitar shape. And this is done. So it will open like this. Now I am taking this white cardstock strip which measures 16 by 4 centimeter and the above width is 5 centimeters. So I am just decorating it using some pattern paper and black color paper. This stick will work like a handle for guitar or extension of guitar. Now just adding glue from backside only in the bottom part. Taking back my card and connecting on top of this. Exactly in the center. Now I'm taking one guitar shaped pattern paper which I have already cut and I'm sticking it in the front part of the guitar like this. So our base card is ready. Now here I have pre-cut some rings of black color cardstock circles. So the diameter of outer ring is 6 centimeter and the inner circle diameter is 4.5 centimeters. So you can just draw two circles and cut it using paper cutter and scissor. So I'm just layering some rings together to create shaker embellishment. Here I have added total 6 rings. and the sheet is also having 300 GSM thickness, so it is quite thick. And now I'm taking the 6 centimeter diameter pattern paper circle and I'm sticking my rings on top of this. Then I'm filling it using some cute shaker elements. So I have these cute tiny miny playing card shaker slices. This is from Dress My Craft. So I'm putting some cards here and there inside the ring. And also I am sprinkling some flower pearls. This is by Crafters Emporio. Now just add glue on the ring and I'm going to connect circle acetate sheet on top of this. Then again add glue on the edge and then I am putting this silver color scalloped ring. You can create the scalloped ring using scallop scissor and cut the inner circle using paper cutter. So allow it to dry and embellishment is ready. Now I am going to stick my shaker embellishment in the center of the card. And it's done. Then here using my silver color Sharpie, I am just creating some strings on black color portion to give it little realistic look. Like this. Then I am adding this beautiful clay embellishment on top like this just to decorate my card little more. And since my today's card theme is aqua blue and brown, so I thought it will look nice. All the decoration part is all up to you. If you want to decorate in any other way, you can do it. Now I am going to add small half cut pearls all around the edge of the guitar. So the beautiful guitar is ready after adding pearls and it's looking very attractive. Also I have added pearls on the top. So it's time to make some quilling flowers. So I'm starting with my first flower and for this I'm taking aqua blue color strip. First making 3 loops in increasing order. Then I am making 2 loops on left and right sides in decreasing order. Then wrapping it using remaining strip and it will look like this. Cut the excess strip and now I am wrapping this whole petal using medium blue color strip. So this is done. In the same way I have created total 7 petals, so I am making a flower and adding half cut pearl in the center. So this is done. Now for the next flower, I am taking half strip of aqua blue color, making one teardrop shape. I will add 4 petals together and adding small half cut pearl in the center. So we need total 2 these type of flowers. Now for the next flower, I am taking half strip of peach color and 1/4 strip of black color, and I am making one leaf shape. I will join total 5 petals together and adding half cut pearl in the center. So we need these type of 2 flowers, and for the bigger flower I have used 7 petals. The process is same. Now I am taking back my card and I will start decorating it using my handmade flowers. I have also created some leaves using sap green and dark green color strip, and simply I have created the leaf shape just like we created for the flower, and also I have created some scrolls. Like this. Now I am taking the sentiment Happy Father's Day, and I have added mountboard piece on back side to give little height. So you can add your sentiment in the bottom or on the top. So I am adding it on this string part like this, and you can easily open your card, and inside the card I have added sentiment wishing you a year full of hearty laughs, smiling faces and warm hugs. Happy Father's Day. You can write your own message. So the beautiful guitar shaped Father's Day card with the quilling decoration and the special shaker embellishment is ready. It's a pretty good idea to gift your father with your handmade projects. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I'm waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.